Jalapeno cheddar fried rice balls, also known as arancini. For this recipe, you will need softened cream cheese, cheddar cheese, fresh jalapenos, garlic, short grain white rice, cumin, salt, and black pepper, eggs, and crispy breadcrumbs such as panko. The first step is to cut 12 1/2-inch cubes from your block of cheddar cheese, and then grate the remaining cheese into a bowl and combine it with the cream cheese, the minced jalapenos, the garlic, white rice, salt, pepper, and cumin. Mix until thoroughly combined, and then give the mixture a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Divide the mixture into 12 equal portions, about 3 tablespoons per portion, and roll each portion into a ball. Place the balls on a lined baking sheet. Once your balls are all shaped, insert a cheese cube into the center of each one, and then reshape the ball, making sure the cheese is completely encased. Dip each ball in beaten egg. Let any excess egg drip back into the bowl, and then roll the ball in breadcrumbs to coat. Return the coated balls to the baking sheet and let those just hang out while you heat the oil to 375 degrees. And then fry your arancini in batches of 3 or 4 in the hot oil. If your oil isn't quite deep enough, you'll want to gently rotate the balls while they fry in order to ensure even browning. The arancini should be nicely golden brown after about 3 minutes. Just transfer them to a paper towel lined tray or rack to drain briefly before serving. Serve with salsa or your favorite dipping sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.